Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. Do you know what they call no peace for the wicked? There will never be peace for the wicked. These people want to deceive May Edochie. But they forget that the May Edochie they know now is not the May Edochie they know before. They have come up with another one again. But thank God say May Edochie eyes don't open. These few years, this woman have seen things that have made her eyes to open. Nobody can deceive her anymore. Not be before when she dey under Ewu Intenje. This time around, the woman's eyes have opened. She knows everybody according to what they represent. My people, wonder shall never end. Oh. These people reached out to May Edochie and told May Edochie that everything that have to do with her late son, Kambili Chukwu, May Edochie should bring all to Intenje. They want to burn it all. My people, make una dey lis ten o. Make una dey lis ten. Everything wey Kambili Chukwu get, e clothes, e shoe, e cap, e any property, pictures, video, they say May Edochie should bring all to Intenje. May Edochie should not keep one. If not, something might happen. They did not end there. They also went ahead to tell May Edochie that all the pictures of Kambili Chukwu on social media should be deleted. No one picture of this boy should be posted anymore. And to end it all, Kambili Chukwu is no more. His matter should no longer be discussed. The end of Kambili Chukwu has already come, and the end should stand as the end. They say now May Edochie say she no understand. She don't understand what you people are trying to say. Now, our grandpapa call am. Grandpapa say because there are certain things that happened when they go do their ancestors. And they said that they should burn everything concerning Kambili Chukwu. They should not leave anything at all. Everything where this boy gets, they need to burn it. And they need to burn it on top of his grave. So May Edochie should bring everything. Any picture at all concerning Kambili Chukwu on May Edochie page, she should delete it. Even Daniela, Kai, they should delete everything. They should delete it, cancel all the video, and bring everything that concerns the boy. Go reach his phone, everything. They should bring all. The moment Grandpapa told May Edochie this word, this woman suspects something. She did not just take it like that. She believed that something is wrong somewhere. She believed that this is not just return this thing because she don't know them. You know, say get the way you go do with person. The person go come know, go come read that person finish. May Edochie knows who they truly are now. Now May Edochie say no. She's not going to argue with these people. She's going to take this thing to the house of God. She's going to pray over it so that God will expose if there is any evil. This thing, they don't tell May Edochie this thing why they tell her so. Before she travel go Obodo Oyibo, now they tell her before they went for Christmas holiday, that was when they passed the message to May Edochie. As May Edochie just returned back for Obodo Oyibo, now they begin fire her again. Bring it, bring the clothes, bring the pictures, bring the phone, bring everything. May Edochie was surprised. Why all these things? So, As me Edoche just land, so they just begin the drag her again. You've not bring it to the thing we ask you to bring. It is very important. The ancestors say, the ancestors did not say. Now me Edoche say, okay, the ancestors have said their own. She too, she want to know what God says about it. Me Edoche cried to the church because she feel it that because she can feel it that something is not right somewhere. She went to the church. She go cry for church, not be say she go pray. It is two different things. She went to cry before God. She said, God, what is happening? What is happening? My son wey don kpai for how many years? Now they ask of a property. Why? What is their plan? They say where me Edoche dey, they cry for inside church. They say now one reverend father come meet me Edoche. Tell me Edoche say, what is happening? Now me Edoche explain, give the reverend father. Say, see the situation where she find herself. And she's confused. Her spirit is telling her that all is not well. How will they be demanding the properties and everything of his son when he don't buy almost 3 years ago? That they want to burn it on top of his grave. She says she feels something strange. This is not right. Now the reverend father said, give me your hands. Let's pray. He and the reverend father pray. The reverend father say, make it a go. He and the reverend father come pray. The reverend father told me Edoche say, God will console you. Me Edoche go ask. They say that night, me Edoche could not sleep. The woman, they turn for bed. She they turn up and down because this whole thing is strange. How will they be demanding for the things of her son when it don't pass? How come person wey don't buy since how many years? Now a matter can they rise again? Me Edoche the next day na lie, she still go church again. They say when she take console, and so she dey go church. Until one day while she was there, still praying and asking for God's intervention. Meanwhile, on the other side, the whole of the Edoche family, they let me Edoche drink water, book up for. On the other side, grandpapa is not giving me Edoche peace at all. That me Edoche should bring those things. So why May was in the church that very day. Another reverend father will just come waka meet me Edoche. Me Edoche said she don't know this reverend father is not in their church. He has never seen him before. He said this reverend father walked up to him and told her to clean her tears. That is it because they ask you to bring your child's property that you're crying? Your child's clothes? Is that why you're crying? He said she raised up her head. She was confused. How this man say no, waiting day her mind? She said she made Edoche was surprised. He said the reverend father told me Edoche that your father-in-law asked for the properties of your late son. All the ones where you keep for inside, say they remember the boy, where you say they think of the boy, pictures, everything you keep, they say you should return up. Me Edoche said yes. The reverend father told me Edoche said don't return anything. Since they say you should return things, go to the market, buy new things, use dust, stay wash them, stay stain am small, carry and wash from washing machine, maybe like wetin they don't wash many times, maybe not new. Pack and wash am for washing machine like 3 or 4 times, or even 5 times. Carry small dust, rub them, maybe look like cloth wey not too clean. Send it to them. Send it to them. Take photo shoots of your child picture, all those things. Send it to them. Because if you don't send it, they will give you peace. So send those ones to them. When you send it to them, their reply will make you believe the vision that he's going to tell you. The reverend father told me Edoche say, it is not about your son, Kambilichukwu, but it is rather about their son, Ewuntenje. Anytime anybody posts the picture of this boy, anytime this boy picture is being posted, the boy spirit, they provoke, they seek for revengers, and it comes to attack the father. The boy is really stressing the father to confess. Sometimes the father behaves strange. Sometimes the father look confused. Sometimes the father don't even know what to do. Sometimes he don't even know what he's doing. He say his son is fighting him. He say his late son, Amubingo late son, which is Kambilichuku, is fighting his father. He says sometimes you see him out of social media. He said now the spirit of Kambilichuku dey pursue am. He said right now the spirit of your son have started chasing him again. They don dey flog am because he has returned back to the one that sold him for the enemies. He say anytime wey yo dey there, he say his son dey flog am. Anytime yo is in Abuja, una go see am for social media, but behind closed door, he's always restless. Anytime he sleep, the son will visit him and start flogging him. Now, wow. So, they told me Edochie that the thing they want to do sacrifice on top of the grave of Kambilichuku. Meaning, burning everything that have to do with him. Nobody should talk about him. Burning everything that have to do with him to let him know that he has no connection with the world anymore. Because the living and the RIP have nothing in common. That is the kind of sacrifice they want to do. That is the kind of sacrifice they want to do. A sacrifice to set this man free. He say anytime where anybody, if I want post Kambilichuku picture, more than they post the face. They say anytime they post this boy picture, post the face, say yo will become restless. You know they find peace. Every time you go to social media, they fear make you know what can jam Kambilichuku picture. They say all Kambilichuku picture, everything concerning Kambili, you don't have one. Because anytime you put on your body, the thing they deal with them mercilessly. Wonder shall never end. So, right now, Peter Edochie, the Reverend Father told me, Edochie, go buy old things, reprint pictures, keep what you have about that boy, do everything, reprint it, go and give them. It will not work. And after you don't go give them, they will tell you what will make you to believe in what I just told you. Say the Reverend Father, come pray with me, Edochie. Tell me, Edochie, say it this way. Wonder shall never end. The Reverend Father told me, Edochie, to be very careful. That these people have a plan. It's not about the well-being of your late son. But rather, they want to silence him. They want to close his mouth. No be say you go public now. That thing will call a disturber. They want to silence this boy mouth. Because sometimes you go the shout, say, see. They want to silence him. She should never ever delete anything that have to do with her son. Make it keep her until that boy find justice. The Reverend Father told me, Edochie, that it might take time. The justice for your son is long, but it can never be denied. The way they take by him, everything they do, they will still personally come out on social media to confess. Me Edochie, they go may take care. May they very careful. The enemies are more of a friends. Now me Edochie take go aso. Come we go buy wetin the Reverend Father tell am. Buy cloth, wash am, use small dust rub them. Send am go give grandpapa. Tell grandpapa say these are the things of Kambi. They don't have any other one. Now grandpapa come pray for me. She say you do and well. That is it, my child, so that peace will reign, so that the blessing of Kambi Lechuku could reach everybody. After me, Edoche sent those things to them. After some days, grandpapa come call me Edoche. He come tell me Edoche say, which cloth me Edoche bring? Now me Edoche say, na Kambi Lechuku cloth now. Now grandpapa say, no, that cloth cannot be Kambi Lechuku cloth. Because what they did not work. The sacrifice was not accepted. Now me Edoche say, sacrifice? He said, no, the ancestors. Wonder shall never end that the ancestors did not accept the clothes of Kambi Lechuku. And he don't believe these are the clothes of Kambi Lechuku. Now me Edoche say, who can't get them? He go open eye, go buy clothes, come burn her. Those are the clothes of Kambi Lechuku. He said, Peter Edoche say no. He said the thing not work. Peter Edoche told me Edoche that he should bring the real cloth. Now me Edoche say, now everything we get now I give her. She no understand wetin una dey talk. He say na there Peter Edoche come talk say, if this one no work, na be say you don't finish. He say this one no know when he talk that word. Na be say you don't finish. Now they see something. They say Peter Edoche come tell me Edoche say, okay, me Edoche do one favor. Me Edoche should try to tell people to stop posting Kambi Lechuku. To stop talking about Kambi Lechuku. See me, they let the boy rest. Now me Edoche say, why? He cannot stop anybody. Because the picture is on social media. The RIP was announced on social media. So how will he tell people that they shouldn't post him? Say enough it that one. I want to know who won't post. Does she know everybody in Nigeria? My people, wonder shall never end. Una they see this man is trying to protect his son. To guide his son, because they say anytime as I post this picture, so if you meet and that day he head not the correct, you go to do like person we won't colo, you go to open eye. They say the spirit of this boy is really dealing with him secretly. So this is what the father wanted to clear from him. Anything where they feel do now that they do for this man, because this man time is doomed. This man is really trying every means to protect his son. Because they really meet his son. All the evil way this man do is coming back to him. So the father is trying to cover him up. The father is trying to protect him. The father is trying for evil not to befall. The father is trying for him not to come out and confess. Because that point now in day now. They say the spirit they pursue him. So the only thing they can do to totally silence Kambi Lechuku is to remove everything when he get for this world. Even a picture, they can't tell us we will not be posting again. If we won't even post him, we don't even need to be posting him. So that they can silence him from the world. You know, if they can't disturb his papa again. That is what they want to do. And not that they are interested of who buy who not buy. That one not concerned them. They are concerned. It's about their own son. Yo. Forgetting say the person when he buy na mama bona. You see why it is good to be strong. If you are a Christian, if you are a Muslim, if you are a pagan, spiritualist, anything you be, you gotta be strong and be prayerful. If me Edoche did not go to church now, if me Edoche be person where they say, make I go give them waiting concern me, they not fit do anything. Therefore, do something. Therefore, do something. Because the only thing wey make am being good mouth no dey talk para too much sometimes. He know say this thing dey disturb am. Yes, this thing dey disturb am. Trying to protect his son from Kambi Lechuku. Now they are trying to tell this woman to bring all the property because of yo, because of a wintenje. You see that evil way they do, no go work out. Thank God say me Edoche eye don't open. No. Thank God say this woman eyes don't open. Wonder shall never end. If you want to post Kambili, post it. Post him. You see as I post them for you, so post them. This is what they don't want to be seen. Anytime you see this thing, you will become uncomfortable. You will become restless. You go start to dey act strange. They do like who won't confess. Continue posting him. Make it full social media and I go see whether I not go wrong. They say once you see the face of Kambili, that day does spoil. If your hands are clean, why will you see the picture of your late son and you go dey fear? Why will you even be asking to burn the property of your late son if your hand clean? Is it not what they will use to remember him? Not be waiting or they remember the poor boy. And I won't delete him. Pata comot for the head because of your son evil plans. Wonder shall never end, oh my lovely fans. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. Inshallah. Amen.